Tom, thanks for being here today.
Thank you, Casey.
All right, let's talk about Wall and Associates and what all you do, what you provide for folks.
Well, we're one of the largest tax relief agencies in the country, and basically we help individuals with any type of tax problem. It could be a state issue, a federal issue, or a local issue. We basically step in between them and those agencies and provide them the relief they need and the ultimate resolution that they need.
Okay, so folks watching today, what do they need to know? How do they get started?
Well, the biggest thing is just to pick up the phone and give us a call, and from there we'll set up an appointment to meet with one of our local representatives, have a free consultation, and then from there our team of tax experts will be able to help them get this resolved and put behind them.
Let's quickly talk about how important it is to have a team of experts. A lot of people try to do it themselves, and you can make a lot of big mistakes from that.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, over 30 years of experience has taught us, the ways to do things correctly and the wrong ways to do it, and that's the biggest mistake people make, is trying to do it themselves.
Right.
And without that team of experts who know all the tax codes and the thousands of pages of IRS code, you're not going to be successful without some professionals with you.
Absolutely, and you really save them some money. Let's talk about how it's possible to settle tax debts for such small amounts. You all know what you're doing. You've been doing this for a long time.
Absolutely, we have been doing it for a long time, and the biggest thing is, the way I look at it, is the IRS really just wants people to become compliant, which means that they file their taxes on time and pay their taxes on time, so they have a steady stream of income. And in order to make that happen, they're willing to work with people on what they owe from the past to get that future income.
Okay. Now let's talk about wage garnishments real quick. What happens when someone gets a wage garnishment notice at work? What do they need to know?
Usually it's panic. I mean,
Right.
obviously, the government is getting ready to take a large chunk of their income.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the biggest thing they need to do at that point is pick up the phone and give us a call. I mean, it's not too late to be able to help them, but the time is very, very short before their life is going to be turned very miserable.
Right. And again, they
Yeah.
get a free consultation if they call, and that'll help them get started. What do they need to
Absolutely.
know about that?
Well, like I said, the consultation is free. From there, they'll sit down and meet with one of our tax experts, and from there, the process is easy. I mean, we just take over, we handle all the negotiations, we are the middleman there, so the IRS can't contact them anymore, and we just ultimately find them the resolution they need.
All right, helping out a lot of people. Tom, thanks
Absolutely.
so much.
Thank you.
Hey, contact Wall and Associates at 615-823-2832 or log on to wallandassociates.net.